I am going to break out this old Weber Kettle charcoal grill. And I just bought this off of Amazon, and I didn't know if it was going to be worth a flip or not, but it's really good quality. It's not really a Weber brand, but I've been wanting to get one of these for a while. I've seen some other guys on YouTube have this, where you can build your fire here in the middle and do some indirect cooking. I've got this vortex here, and I'm going to get going here. I'm going to use a couple of tumbleweeds, get my charcoal in there and get it started. I'll bring you guys back, show you the progress. Doing some chicken thighs and hot dogs tonight. So stay tuned, guys. All right, guys. So inside my bucket here, got some gloves. My hands are clean, by the way. I'm going to use garlic Parmesan as my base coat for the chicken thighs, and I'm going to follow it up with the rest of my Holy Voodoo by Meat Church. Gotta get some more of that stuff. It's good stuff. There's my chicken thighs and some hot dogs. All right, now these thighs are skin on, bone in, cheap. I don't know, dollar something a pound. They didn't cost hardly any money whatsoever. And I'm just gonna take off some of this stuff that we don't need. Now it's time for a little seasoning. Let's set these right here on this side here. And I'm not going to put the hot dogs on yet because they don't take but a minute to do those. And so get this lid put on, and we'll come back and check these things in a little while. I'm going to keep that open, and the bottom's open, and there you have it. 150 on this side's 120. So closest to the fire is a no-brainer. It's going to be hotter. So what we'll do is turn them around a little bit. That's looking good. That's a smaller thigh there. So let's turn these around and put this cover back on, and better get heated back up. So we're rocking pretty good. 10 minutes. We'll go to another 10 minutes. Come back, check this out. Stay tuned with me, guys. Okay, well, another 10 minutes have gone by. The fire, or the temperature rather, of the Weber's got up to 500 now. So it's come down in temperature a little bit. And I haven't messed with them at all. They're just sitting there in my vortex. Now let's see what we got on these. 167, 175 on the small one, 182 on that side, 159.60 on that. So I'm going to turn this one. Matter of fact, I think what I'm going to do, try to get them done a little quicker. I'm going to go ahead and put this center back in, because I mean, I don't want them to really burn up. I want them to get completely done, so I get this center in here without burning myself. Okay, and we'll move this over here just a little closer. Well, I mean, that one's done, but let's move these over here just a little closer. And we'll keep our eye on them. That looks good there. There's nothing wrong with that. I can crisp that up a little bit so you can put these over the coals there. See now? Get them crisped up. Let's put some of these on here. And here. Yeah, you definitely got to keep your eye on those. For sure.